This 2024 Entegra Coach Esteem XL 32U is a Super CRV. It is located in Benson, North Carolina, 27504 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Entegra Coach Esteem XL 32U is built on a Ford F550 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.